Hello viewers, hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm gonna take you to the rare and exciting trip. You won't believe what I'm going to show you very soon. Because geographically for the northeast, because of its terrain, it's a rare yet it's a thrilling sight. So I am talking about this raw construction site that is happening right now. And in this I'm gonna talk about the aesthetic picture of track and field, and we all have enjoyed the powerful performance by Tyson Gay, Usain Bolt, and our very own Hima Das Mikha Singh. Therefore, I made this video just for your experience, your thrilling experience. So keep watching as I'm going to talk about the construction process of our athletes' field of play. For the constructions of standard track and field, basic thing, the most prominent thing that you need to have is the a large area, okay, more than acres of area covering the land, and it should be flat and barren. And at the same time, when you are choosing the surface, you need to keep certain points, for example like your environment and the center of location, and you need to keep in mind also the safety measures and climate, temperature, everything. Once the site is chosen and it's done and the soil refining process is done, then the second stage is that workers will go for waterbound macadam. Waterbound macadam is a type of road construction. Even in road constructions, as you guys can see that at the very first they have that tiny pebbles being flattened and like roadside being covered totally by it. Just like that, in track and field constructions, we are going to crush and aggregate it together along with black rubber, that is synthetic rubber, especially used for track and field. Along with that, water is used and they are compacted together to get the solid base of the track and field. That waterbound macadam surface is like already covered, but it comes before this coated layer. Okay, beneath this layer is first we have soil, and on top of that we have this one. The constructions of a track and field layer contains a lot of layers. Okay, on the third we have this bituminous macadam. Bituminous macadam usually comes in large container, waterproof container, and we have to deal with lots of safety measures also. That's why children and others are not usually allowed to enter until the track is totally prepared. So purpose of using bituminous macadam is bituminous macadam has a durability property, and also it has a water resistance, very high water resistance property, and it does not allow the water from the surface area to come up. On fourth layer we have bituminous concrete. Bituminous concrete is usually black, okay, it's applied on all over the track, on the also around the track. Black layer is thoroughly applied. The purpose of applying that black layer is to get the smooth surface and to get the even surface. And on a fifth layer we got a primer layer. Primer layer, this one, as you guys can see, this crease on a fifth layer, and it also helps to prevent the water from the base of the workers. Make use of this styrene butadiene rubber. In shortcut we call it SBR. This rubber is made from the recycled rubber and all, okay. So, and at the same time it acts as a frictions for the athletes and all, to control their speed and all, especially for the sprinter and all. And now I'm going to talk about all the part is done. After all the part is done, they make the marking of the lanes, and that marking of the lane is done with the help of, right now I can show it to you, but the marking of the lane is done with the liquid thermoplastic. The people and the workers and company, they make use of this liquid thermoplastic because liquid thermoplastic has the property of attractiveness. It's very much attractive and is visible to all the people clearly. Second is durability, and of course, like all the other materials, it's also water resistant, and also it's anti-slip, and it gives a overall aesthetic look for the track and field observations, which is very good for the athlete, and it also acts as a frictions. And of course it's a all-weather use. Synthetic track and field, we can use it anytime, and athletes can practice anytime, be it rainy day or sunny day, it doesn't matter. Sports, not as their vitality. It covers the wide range of event, making it suitable for the multi-purpose facilities. Therefore, I believe the constructions of more of these kind of facilities will surely ensure the more sports persons, and it will surely help more youngsters to engage in sports. And of course, it's gonna have a positive impact not only about the youngster, but it will also have a positive impact over the environment and society, and certainly it will help to engage more people into sports and helps the people to stay away from negative vibes such as drug addictions or terrorism thoughts and all.